Hey everyone, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in this 2016 Mazda CX-5. Watch the whole video because I will also show you how much money you will save by doing this yourself. Let's get to work. This is the housing where you will find the air filter. Be careful when you're moving this because of this wire right here. You can unclip it if you want, but that's kind of a hassle. There's three, you see that right there? There's three tabs that hold this thing in. And then on this side, there's a clip on either end. All you do is use your finger, pop that clip backwards, and then gently reach down there, pull it out of the slots. If you come over here, there's your air filter. Just grab that. And there you go. And you can see that thing's pretty dirty. Let's get the new one. This is the air filter we're going to be using. I bought this at Walmart for $15. You can get a lot more expensive ones. You can get cheaper ones, but this is the one we're going with. You see it says Mazda 2250 on it. And a lot of websites, you can type in your make and model of your car to make sure you order the right part. But I just looked it up online, went to Walmart, and got this one. We're going to lift from right here. There's the empty case. We're going to slide the new one in. You may have to kind of, you may have to kind of wiggle it a little bit to get in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so watch out for the clips on the sides. Make sure they're not like that. Not that I just did that or anything. We're going to make sure that this wire is out of our way. And then we're going to slide the three tabs back into the slots on the back. There we go. It should fit snugly. One, two. All right, everything is secure. Let's see how much money we will save by doing this ourselves. Okay, here we go. The average cost to take your car to a mechanic to do this, besides your time, is $100. The cost for me to do this was about, maybe 2-3 minutes, and only $15. That's a savings of $85. And that's why we do it ourselves, to save money. You know what? That looks like another job well done. Thanks for watching Marcus Fixes Stuff. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. If you liked the video. Leave me any questions or comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.